All right. So you never want to do these three things in your YouTube intros, or it's going to kill your retention. And yes, I know from experience. I've been doing this now for 17 plus years. I've built multiple 6 and 7 figure brands off the back of YouTube, and my retention sucked until I figured this out. And now I see people still doing it. And I'm telling you right now, with the algorithm the way that it is, retention, people watching longer, really matters. So if you want a video to get exposure, not just the click, but you want it to get more exposure, you need to prove to the algorithm that it's worth watching. And setting up that intro is super important, but also it's important not to say a few things here. So let's kind of dig in here. I also wanted to say the third one that I'm going to be sharing with you has probably the biggest impact and will drastically kill retention, but I've got a fix for it. So I'm going to share that with you as well. So let's just get into it. The very first one that you want to either stop doing, or if you've never done it, don't do it. And that is stop putting up a logo with a little jingle behind it that makes you feel like, yes, I am a legit YouTube creator. I've got a nice little logo. I don't care if it's 3 seconds, you're wasting 3 seconds. The first 10 seconds of your video is the most critical. And if we waste time with a little logo that comes up, spins around, or flashes and does this, different sound effects, we're wasting time and people are going to check out. Right now, the attention span really low. So we have to stop wasting their time. I can't tell you how many people that watch our videos are like, thank you so much for just getting to the point and stop wasting people's time. I really appreciate that. And you know what happens when that happens is people subscribe. And I don't even have to ask them to subscribe. This channel, it's got over 36,000 subscribers. We're heading towards 37, I think. We have not asked for a subscriber. And that's because we get right to it. So take that one, run with it. If you already have those things going, I'd get rid of them personally. If you want to leave them, that's fine. Look at your retention graph, see if people are dropping off within those first 10 seconds. And if that's in there and it's 3-4 seconds, get rid of it. It'll probably improve your retention, which is going to also improve the algorithm wanting to push your content. All right. The second one is stop asking people to subscribe or liking your videos in the very beginning. Now, you want to do it later. I have some rules on that too for myself. I generally am not going to ask for people to like or subscribe. If I was, it would be further into the video, because the last thing you want to do is waste time telling people to do something when you have not even delivered a piece of value, right? You just showed up and you're like, hey, yeah, I'm going to show you this. But before I do, hit the subscribe button and go ahead and like this video. They're like, wait a minute here. I don't even know you. But I'm going to go ahead and click subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and like this video. Prove to me that I should, right? Deliver the value. So that's the second thing. I see that mistake still happening. You want to get rid of that. You want to remove that if you're doing that right now. Not that hard. It's a very simple thing. Just don't do it. All right. So the third is not having a hook at all, not planning what you are going to say in the first 10 to 20 seconds. So if you would go back to the beginning of this video, it's pretty simple. The way that I do it is I have a compelling title. The title is the hook. That's, again, a lot of people are not utilizing their title to be a hook. So one of the other ways to get the algorithm to take notice is, number one, having a great title that your audience will want to click. Okay. Yes, the thumbnail is important, but the title is probably more important because the algorithm is going to see it first, put it in front of your audience, and then your audience is going to decide to click on it. Once they click on it, now we've got to grab their attention. How can we do that? We can basically say almost the same thing. And if you go back to the beginning, you're going to hear me say, never do these three things in your YouTube intros or it's going to kill your retention. That's probably the title of this video because I created it. You see? And then from there, you're going to want to know, okay, what do I need to do? What do I need to not do? Right? You want to know what those three things are. And there's one other little tip here I want to give you because I did something else very subtly. And again, if you want to go back and watch the beginning of this video, you'll see it where I said, oh, and the third thing on the list, which means that you're going to probably get through 1, 2, and then you're gonna hang around for number 3. It gets you to watch a little bit longer, right? Well, I said that one has one of the biggest impacts and is going to drastically kill your retention. And the fix that I have for you, because I said I have a fix. What is the fix? Create the title first. Make that title the hook. A lot of people struggle with this, like I said, but I've got you. I have a free resource. If you struggle with titles and you want some title hooks that have been proven to work and get millions of views across multiple channels, all you got to do is just comment hooks down below and I'll send you 10 of our top titles. And I've turned those into templates. You can interchange them. I'll even give you multiple examples and then go ahead and give them a try. All right. And I've got a lot of people that have downloaded these, a lot of creators, and they have worked. Now, are they all going to work? No, but it's probably going to be a really good hook because all you need to do is fill in your niche and what you are going to be able to share. All right. So definitely, if you want that, just comment hooks down below and I'll send it to you. All right. So again, this video, the hook is what kept you here. If you're still watching this video, that means that got you to want to watch more, right? Now, I didn't do it to be deceitful. I didn't do it to like, oh, here, I'm going to give you this if you stay here. I didn't do that. I still delivered the value. All right. Now, I got a little bonus tip for you of what not to do. All right. And that is in the very beginning of the video. Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hopefully you had a great weekend. I just wasted 3 to 4 seconds there. Stop with the welcome backs because to be truthful, a lot of the people that are going to be watching your stuff aren't the ones coming back. Look at your analytics. I bet you there's 60 to 70% of the people that are watching your stuff are new, and that's good. But let's not treat it as they've already been here. They've already, known who we are. So we want to stop doing that. All right. And if you're guilty of that, it's okay. I was too, but we can stop that right now and increase your retention, which is going to help you get more views. All right. Now, the title, like I talked about, is probably the number one thing that you have to fix first. You have to get that hook down. You got to be able to get something that's going to resonate with your audience. Like I said, I've got that swipe file, but what else I have for you is this video right here where I break down those 10 titles and I give you multiple examples on how to use them, and you can literally plug and play. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.